explaining the Node.js event loop. So looking at the code that's going to run through the Node event loop, right at the beginning, we will have the V8 engine, which will essentially send a global function into our call stack, which is where our code is going to be run in an order. And the first line of code that we're going to look is to console log start, which is a synchronous code. And any synchronous code will be run into the call stack. So as you can see over here, it goes into read file. So read file is an async function, which has a callback inside. And that is not going to be run into the call stack. And that will be sent into the libov, which will be kept in there until the call stack is empty. So until all synchronous code has been run. And so the next thing, which is console log end, that is also synchronous code that will be sent into our call stack. And so the call stack in the next tick is going to be performed. And now our call stack is empty. And now we have to look at all the asynchronous code. In this case, it's going to be read file. And we start off by looking at the read file code. And after that has been complete, so reading the file, the function itself, you will then look at its callback, which is right inside of it. So it will be sent into the poll phase. And so the poll phase is basically the loop that deals with all of the callbacks after the call stack is empty. So essentially we'll check if the call stack is empty, and if the call stack is empty, then it will send any remaining callbacks into the call stack. So on the next step, it sends the read file callback, which in this case is the console log file loaded. And that's basically a way for us to know that the file has been loaded. So as you can see here, we've got start, end, and then at the end, we've got the file loaded. And that way, the call stack is empty and our code has been run. I taken some of the information from this link and this comment from Reddit, and also took some of the inspiration from the video also here linked over. So thank you, and see you in the next video.